Out there tonight, we're going to be talking about cloud cover increasing. Already seeing that in many places. We've had the clouds in and out today. It's been a chilly day. Temperatures only rising into the upper 50s. That's where we sit now. And you'll notice overnight tonight, that's where our temperatures are going to stay. As we get into the late night hours, we'll have a warm front come through. That'll bring the shower activity with us and even some thunderstorms as we get into the early morning hours. That's when strong storms are going to be a concern, mainly along the coast to I-10. Once you get north of I-10, the threat of severe weather lessens. The environment looking a little more stable than it did just a couple of days ago. So overall, the threat for severe weather is on the lower end, but there's still a possibility that a storm can produce gusty winds, maybe even an isolated tornado. And of course, as we go through the next several hours, we'll continue to watch as the latest information comes in. If we need to be prepared for that, we will be. And of course, we're going to have the full team here for you in the morning hours. 65 in Blountstown, 59 in Mariana, 52 in Defeating Springs, 59 in Panama City, 59 in Apalachicola. So sunshine must have come out in Blountstown and Tallahassee, allowing it to warm up much cooler as you go further off to the west. So part of that reasoning for seeing less activity as far as severe weather goes as well because it's cooler than expected. Warm front already knocking on the door. That should be lifting through as we go through the next several hours. So you'll actually notice the temperature rising. Quite a snowstorm for southern Arkansas back into central Arkansas and West Tennessee. And yeah, once again, ice from Louisiana through central Mississippi. That's headed to become an ice storm for for North Carolina and the Piedmont of Virginia. They're going to get in on that. But for us, it's that warm sector to the south of the cold front where we'll be concentrating on thunderstorms, which again, the threat has lessened a touch. Yesterday, you may have noticed that our wind and tornado threat was a little more of a moderate risk. It has been pushed back to more of a low risk along with hail. The flooding threat has increased because we're going to see some heavy rain through the day tomorrow. So this out should time out by 10 o'clock tonight. Showers across the western half of the area. As we get to 3 a.m., that's when the concentration of the severe threat starts to increase. Again, I have highlighted in yellow here where the severe potential will be through tonight and through the day tomorrow. By 9 a.m., the leading edge of the thunderstorms are pushing through Apalachicola. That is going to be where the severe threat lies. So the rain that falls behind that will not be severe. This will all be elevated, but you notice a lot of rain training from Panama City up to Mariana and southwest Georgia. Because of that, we're talking about rainfall totals anywhere from about 2 to 5 inches locally. Could see even more than that. Yes, some very heavy rain, and with saturated ground from Panama City, Blountstown, Mariana, Defeating Springs, we could see those rivers rise pretty quickly, and definitely the creeks, as well as any areas that are low-lying may see potential flash flooding through the day tomorrow. So be aware of that. Regardless of severe weather, looks like a washout type of day. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Temperatures will fall late in the day, back down to the lower 60s. We'll head down to the 40s tomorrow night. Back to 54, but sunshine by Friday afternoon, maybe a shower lingering in the morning hours. Then dry conditions mostly Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We may have a stray shower on Monday, but the temperatures looking much better and a stretch of dry weather expected as we get beyond Friday. So Saturday into next Wednesday, and again, just a stray shower chance for our Monday, but temperatures definitely on the better end of things, as well as much more sunshine expected. So a light at the end of the tunnel, but we got to get through tomorrow.
All right, we'll be ready for it and look forward to the sunshine.
Yes.
Thanks.